Welcome fam. Woke up feeling out of alignment, not sore, just off. Your hips feel stuck, your back feels stiff, and your breath can't seem to drop in. Let's bring your body back home. Let's hit the mat. We start with a movement most people never train, but desperately need. Tight hips don't just slow you down physically, they block your flow. This stretch unlocks your foundation. Sit down, knees bent, feet flat, hands behind for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then return to center, now to the right. Flow back and forth like windshield wiper. Keep your glutes grounded. You're going to feel movement deep in your hip sockets, subtle internal rotation, not external like most hip stretches. This improves joint health, balance, and pelvic alignment. If you've ever felt off in your stride, this helps fix that. With your hips moving again, your spine is ready to wake up. Slow it down and pause for 2 seconds at each side. Are your knees leading the move or your hips guiding them? That just opened your base. Now let's free your spine. Think of this as a breath-driven spinal floss. This stretch reconnects your breath to movement, one vertebra at a time. Come on to all fours, wrists on the shoulders and knees on the hips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest, gaze up, cow. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin and pelvis, cat. Move with your breath, not against it. You're going to feel spine lengthening and flexing, chest and hips opening. Spinal mobility isn't just about flexibility, it's about resilience. This move preps your system for the day ahead. Moving your spine first thing stimulates cerebrospinal fluid, boosting clarity. Deepen your breath and extend the exhale for 5 more seconds. Are you rushing the motion or flowing through it? That just mobilized your spine, and now let's rotate and reach. This is where your back tension gets turned into breath again. We release the upper back while grounding the lower half. Rotation starts from within. Stay on all fours. Inhale, reach your right arm to the sky. Exhale, slide it under your left arm and rest your shoulder and head to the mat. Hips stay square. Hold, then switch sides at halfway. You're going to feel your upper back stretch, mid-spine twist, breath opening across the shoulder blades. It's one of the gentle ways to release upper back tension, especially if you've been curled over screens. You've twisted and flexed, now let's extend into strength. Reach through your bottom arm just 1 inch further. Hold it. Are you sinking into the stretch or staying active in your reach? That just unlocked your mid-back. Now we lengthen the whole front chain. This stretch teaches your body to lead with the heart without forcing it. You don't have to be flexible to benefit here, just intentional. Lie flat on your stomach, hands on the shoulders, press into the tops of your feet. Inhale, gently lift your chest, elbows stay soft. Keep your glutes relaxed and shoulders away from ears. You're gonna feel a mild lift in the lower back, expansion in the chest, and space in the abdomen. Gentle back bends restore postural balance and activate the part of your nervous system that supports calm and clarity. This posture gently stimulates digestion and respiratory function. Press into your palms and hold your chest high for 5 steady seconds. Are you lifting from your spine or just pushing from your arms? That just expanded your posture. Now we close with grounding. This is where your hips, back, and breath come back together. We're closing the loop, hugging in, softening down. Lie on your back, legs extended, bend one knee and gently hug it into your chest. After 30 seconds, switch sides. Keep the opposite leg soft and extended. You're going to feel a deep release in the lower back and hip, breath filling the belly. This stretch resets your lumbar spine and grounds your nervous system, so you don't just stand tall, you feel centered. Gentle compression in this position can calm stress and reduce bloating. Pull your knee in just a touch more, but keep the jaw soft. Is your lower back resting fully or holding on? That just resets your spine and hips. You're aligned and grounded. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.